95% of people will reach the end of their life with almost nothing in their bank account. Not criminals, not lazy people, not stupid people. Regular, hardworking, responsible people who did everything they were supposed to do. They went to school, they got jobs, they worked for 40 years, and at the end of it all, they had almost nothing to show for it. That number should terrify you because statistically, you are in the 95%. And the most dangerous part, you don't even know it yet. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens, the real reason, not the one they teach you in school, and more importantly, exactly how to make sure you are in the 5% who actually build real wealth. Don't skip, don't fast forward, because what I'm about to tell you, nobody told you before, and it will change everything. Let me tell you about John. John is 22 years old, just graduated, just got his first real job making $35,000 a year. John is excited. John works hard. John gets promoted. By 35, John is making $60,000 a year. John gets married, buys a house, has 2 kids. Life is good. John saves a little every month. Not much, but something. He thinks, I'll save more when I earn more. By 45, John is making $80,000 a year. Big salary, nice house, 2 cars. But John is also spending $79,000 a year. John tells himself, I'll get serious about money when the kids are older. By 55, John starts to panic a little. Retirement is getting close. He tries to save more, but the mortgage, the car payments, the credit card bills, there's never enough left. At 65, John retires. He has $180,000 saved. Sounds okay until you realize $180,000 lasts approximately 6 years in retirement. John lives until 81. For the last 10 years of his life, John depends entirely on his children or the government, or both. John is not a failure. John is not stupid. John is not lazy. John is just like 95% of people. And right now, without knowing it, you might be on John's exact path. So why does this happen? Most people think broke people are broke because they don't earn enough. Wrong. Studies show that most lottery winners, people who suddenly get millions of dollars, are broke again within 5 years. Most NFL players earning millions per year are bankrupt within 2 years of retirement. It's not about how much you earn. It's about one thing and one thing only, the broke mindset. Here's how it works. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up equally or faster. You get a raise, you get a nicer car. You get a bonus, you go on a bigger vacation. You get a promotion, you move to a bigger house. Economists call this lifestyle inflation, and it is silently, quietly, invisibly destroying your financial future every single month. The rich get richer not because they earn more, but because when their income goes up, their spending stays the same and the difference gets invested. That's the entire secret of wealth. That's it. That simple. But 95% of people never do this. And here's the terrifying reason why. Your brain is working against you. Humans are not naturally designed to think long-term. We are designed to survive today, to enjoy today, to feel good today. Saving money feels like punishment. Investing feels like giving up something real for something invisible. But buying a new phone, eating at a nice restaurant, upgrading your car, that feels amazing right now. This is called instant gratification bias, and every single advertisement you see every single day is specifically designed to trigger it. Your phone, your TV, your social media feed, every single second, someone is spending millions of dollars to make you spend money you don't have on things you don't need to impress people you don't even like. And it's working. The average person sees 10,000 advertisements per day. The average person carries $6,000 in credit card debt. The average person has less than $1,000 in savings. This is not a coincidence. You are in a war for your money, and most people don't even know the war is happening. Let me show you exactly what this costs you in real numbers. Take two people, both 25 years old, both earning $40,000 a year. Person A, the 95%, spends everything, saves almost nothing, lives paycheck to paycheck, retires at 65 with $180,000. Person B, the 5%, invests just $400 per month starting at 25. At 8% average annual return, at 65, person B has $1,400,000. Same salary, same 40 years. The only difference, $400 a month invested instead of spent. That's the difference between dying broke and dying a millionaire. $400 a month. That's one less restaurant dinner per week. That's canceling 2 subscription services. That's buying a used car instead of a new one. The gap between the 95% and the 5% is not talent, it's not luck, it's not connections. It's just $400 a month invested consistently, starting as early as possible. I want you to stop for a second and really think about this. Imagine you are 70 years old. Your body is tired, you can't work anymore, and you look at your bank account and there is almost nothing there. You have to call your children and ask for help. You have to choose between medicine and food. You worked for 45 years and you have nothing to show for it. That is the reality for 95% of people. And the most heartbreaking part, it was completely avoidable. Not with a higher salary, not with a lucky investment, not with winning the lottery, just with starting early and being consistent. The people who end up broke at 70 were not doomed at 70. They were making the wrong decisions at 25, at 30, at 35. Small decisions every single day. The good news? You are watching this video right now, which means you still have time. 3 rules. Simple, powerful, life-changing. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, before rent, before food, before anything, move 20% into investments. Not savings, investments. Treat it like a bill you cannot skip. Rule 2. Never let lifestyle inflation win. Every time your income goes up, keep your spending exactly the same and invest the difference. This one rule alone, applied consistently, will make you wealthy. Rule 3. Start today, not tomorrow. If you are 25 and invest $400 a month, you retire with $1.4 million. If you wait until 35, same $400 a month, you retire with $600,000. Waiting 10 years costs you $800,000. Every single day you wait, you are choosing to be poorer. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything about investing. You just need to start. Today, with whatever you have. Even $50 a month invested today is worth more than $500 invested 10 years from now. 95% of people will die broke. Not because life was unfair, not because they didn't work hard enough, but because nobody ever showed you what you just learned today. The lifestyle inflation trap, the instant gratification war, the power of starting early. Now you know. The question is, what are you going to do with this information? Are you going to be John, working 40 years and ending up with nothing? Or are you going to be the 5% who understood the game and played it differently? The choice is yours, and you are making it right now, whether you realize it or not. If this video changed the way you think about money, share it with one person who needs to hear this. And subscribe, because next week, I'm going to show you exactly where to invest your first $100 step by step from zero. Your future self is counting on you. See you in the next one.